Conservation agency track the sea turtle population by counting the number of nesting sites where the turtles lay their eggs. This table shows the number of nesting sites for several years in 2001. The data can be modeled by the exponential function. It says which function models the data. And then another question that they're asking as an open-ended, they're saying, after 10 years, what will be the number of nesting sites? But let's take it a step at a time. First step is to write this information onto decimals. So we're going to click the plus sign and we're going to add a table. After this, we're going to start typing these numbers down. There's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then on the other side, we're going to start typing these numbers here. 4, 6, 1, 2, 5, 3, 7, 9, 9, 4, 40, 5, 1, 3, 2, 9, 3, 6, 8, 3, 4, 0, 8, 2, 3, 1, 7, 4, 6, 2, 7, 6, 9, 1. Now that we have all this information in here, we're ready to go on to step number 2.